AI isn't replacing video editors, it's replacing the parts that we hate doing. Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Shelby Mills. I'm the lead video editor here at Milan Media, and I'm going to talk you through how to automate some of your workflows so that you can stop doing mundane tasks and focus on your creativity. So the first step in any workflow is to overview all of your tasks. It might be difficult at first to figure out which AI is best for you, so let's break it down. As of right now in the world of AI, we have the big three: ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Think of ChatGPT as the gateway AI. It's the one that almost everyone always starts with. What this means, it can help you rewrite your thoughts, scripting, brainstorming, pretty much anything where you need to consolidate an idea or find something simple on the web. Think of it as a person that's going to talk you through any situation. Next, we have Claude. Think of it as your personal assistant. Using Claude Cowork, it can access your computer directly and even take on some of those menial tasks for you. And last but not least, we have Gemini. Gemini is going to be the strongest when it comes to Google integration. So what this means is any form of Google, whether it's Google Drive, Google Sheets, or Google Docs, it can help generate information right there inside of the platform for you. So after that brief rundown of each one of these AI agents, it can kind of help you figure out which one's going to be the best for your workflow. Integrating your workflow with AI may be scary at first, but I promise you in the long run, it's going to help you out a ton. It's going to let you focus on the parts of your job that you really enjoy and want to be creative with, and not have to take as much time on those mundane tasks. Instead of viewing AI as the next thing that's going to take your job, start viewing it as the thing that's going to help you with your job. If you like this video, don't be afraid to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you think I did a better job than my boss, Kyle Milan, let us know in the comments.